everyone, and today I'm going to be doing a extended Meet My Birds video. Oh yes, really? They're right there, and I'm gonna be getting them out, and I'm gonna show you guys them, show them to you guys. So yeah, let me just get them out, and we'll start. On the roof of the cage, and I'll be asking Sky to step up, step up. Sky, step up, step up. Can you step up? Step up. He is so soft. Step up. Good bird. Wait, dude. Here. There he goes. There he is. Up, 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 up. There you go. And there's Pickle. They really like their cage. There you go. Good bird. A little about each one. That is Sky. He is a boy. Say hi. Yeah, I know. And he's very talkative. He really likes millet sprays. There's some dead ones down there. And he's a couple of months old, we think. His feathers were clipped, but they're growing. They're growing good. We're pretty sure they're in molt right now, so they're gonna grow new feathers. Yay! And over here is Pickle. We'll see if I can take him out and get some better shots of them. Pickle! And she is a girl. Yeah, show them your beautiful wings. And I know. And she is, I know. They're both Australian, but show them how poofy you become. After handling, they always just kind of really groom themselves a lot. I know. They're so sweet. And they're very, very talkative. And they talk to each other, and they kiss, and they do lots of stuff together. And they're super, super nice. Except we're still working on taming them. They haven't gotten step up quite. It's a bit more about my birds. Why isn't this focused? So yeah, that was a bit more about my birds, and I'll see you in my next